Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to crop Instagram Reels video. So first of all, launch Instagram application. Now tap on the plus button that you see at the bottom of your screen. With that, your gallery will be opened. Now choose a video for your Reels from your gallery. So in my case, I'm going to choose this video. Now at the bottom, you can crop or trim the video according to your choice like this. You can increase or decrease the length of the video. After that, tap on next on top. Now after that, you can also tap on edit video. Now from here, if you go to the option of edit at the first option, then swipe towards the end, you'll see the option of crop. So if you tap on it, you can zoom in or zoom out the video according to your choice. So this is another way through which you can crop Instagram Reels video. Once done, tap on the option of done at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now over here, you can further adjust your video as well. Then tap on the arrow button at the top right corner. With that, you can post your Instagram reel according to your preference on your Instagram profile. So this is it for today, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.